How to link GoDaddy to Gmail. You can connect your GoDaddy email to Gmail, allowing you to send and receive GoDaddy emails directly from your Gmail account. Follow these steps to link the two. Step 1. Sign in to your Gmail account. Open Gmail in a web browser at gmail.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 2. Access Gmail settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Add a GoDaddy email account. Receive emails. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. Enter your GoDaddy email address and click Next. Step 4. Configure POP server settings. Choose Import emails from my other account, POP3, and click Next. Enter the following POP settings. Username, your full GoDaddy email address. Password, your GoDaddy email password. POP server, pop.secureserver.net. Port, 110 or 995 if using SSL. Check options. Select Leave a copy on the server if needed. Click Add Account. Step 5. Enable sending emails from Gmail. After setup, choose Yes, I want to be able to send mail as this address. Enter your GoDaddy email name and click Next Step. Use the following SMTP settings. SMTP server, smtpow.secureserver.net. Port, 587 or 465 for SSL. Username, your full GoDaddy email address. Password, your GoDaddy email password. Click Add Account. Step 6. Verify the connection. Gmail will send a verification email to your GoDaddy email address. Open the email and click the verification link to complete the process.